Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some fall DIYs that I did this season because I actually have my own place, so I got to do all the decorating, so I was just so excited and I had to come out with this video early. So if y'all want to see those, then y'all can stay tuned. Also, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to be giving one of the wreaths that I'm making away. And if y'all want to win that, just make sure you're subscribed to this channel and follow my Instagram at Cheyanne_Danielle and comment a pumpkin emoji on my most recent photo. So let's get into the video. For this first one, you'll need some leaves, and they can be attached like that or separated, but that's just what I found at the dollar store. Some burlap ribbon and any flowers you prefer. I picked sunflowers. Some little decorative accessories. I got pumpkins, and whatever those other things are, they just looked like they'd go with the wreath, so I picked them up. And glue gun, glue sticks, and possibly some scissors. So first I started off by taking my leaves and I'm tucking the end into the back of the wreath and wrapping it around the wreath. If yours aren't attached like mine, you can just take the individual leaves and glue it on the wreath. Now I'm just going in and taking off pieces that I don't want there, and I'm going to add them back in later. Now I'm adding the pumpkins, and I didn't want them to be exactly even, so I just kind of put them wherever. For the flowers, I just took them off the stem and they just pull off easily just like that. Once my hot glue gun was ready, I started to glue on the flowers. I didn't have a specific pattern, so I just put them anywhere just like the pumpkins. Now I'm taking off some of the leaves that are on the back, and I'm going to glue them onto the front later so the front of the wreath has more coverage. Right here I'm taking some of the leaves that are on the front and I'm just kind of flattening them down because some of them stuck out too much for me. And I'm also taking the leaves that I cut off in the back and I'm gluing those back on in the front. Now I'm adding those pieces back in that I took off at the very beginning, and I'm doing 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side so it looks symmetrical when you hang it up. Last thing I did was I hung it up with the burlap, and now we have a fun, festive fall wreath. For our next DIY, you'll need toilet paper, some fabric squares, which are 18 by 18, scissors, and some sticks for the stems. This DIY was so easy and it took me literally less than 2 minutes, and now I have a beautiful porch decoration. I also added in that cute little accent pumpkin that I got from the dollar store, and then some leftover leaves I had from the wreath. I know not all wreaths are created equal, so that's why I decided to do a second one for you guys. For this one, you'll need a glue gun, glue sticks, flowers, and a lot of flowers. I picked mums, some leaves, those weird things again, some more flowers, some burlap ribbon, and some scissors. First I took all my flowers and took them off the stems just like it did in the other DIY. Once I had all my flowers ready, I started to put them in place of where I wanted them to be before I actually glued them down. Once I had an idea of where everything was going to be, I started to glue it down. Then I went in with the leaves and I glued those in. Then I added in those colorful things, but after I finished putting the leaves in, I ended up not liking them, so I just took them out. Here I decided to go in and add some leaves, and these are the leftovers from the mums, and I feel like they're the perfect color to fit the fall theme, so that's why I picked them. Right here I'm noticing that there's like a random green leaf, and I don't know how it got there, so I'm just cutting that out. And again, just like the other one, I added the burlap tie to the top and hung up my wreath. For this last DIY, you'll need a mason jar, a couple pine cones, some acorns, and a tea light. Starting off with the pine cones, I'm just putting those at the bottom of the mason jar, and I'm trying to spread them out as far as I can so there's not any holes, and if there are holes, I just put acorns in there to fill that up. And then I'm just taking the rest of the acorns and I'm stacking them on top, and I'm making sure that I leave a little opening so I can put the tea light inside afterwards. Now I'm taking my tea light, turning it on, and putting it in place. Well, trying to find a place for it because I don't want it to look weird. Looks good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these DIYs. I know I had so much fun making them. Let me know in the comments if you guys got to try any of them. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye guys!